Coffee is a wonderful thing in the morning. It's 5 a.m. and getting ready to go do a rifle hunt there with the 4-stable stick, hoping to get something. It's windy out there. It's probably gusting 35 miles an hour, but we'll see. We'll try and go. See you guys out in the hunting area. Hope to be out there by 6 a.m. before sunrise. So I'm about 180 yards from that herd, and I'm gonna take the shot from here, right across the gouge. The wind is a little bit not as bad as up there, cause I'm in a bowl. So I'm gonna take the shot from here. I think I got two guys, two does. Yeah, first time shooting with the 4-stable sticks. Real steady, 180 yards. So I saw both of them go down. First one just went down right there. I hit him in the neck someplace, and the second one I hit him a little bit back on the lung, but she's down too. Alright guys, I probably will give them a little bit time just to gather myself and then go down there and process them and check them out. Alright, first shot, second shot with the 4-stable stick. So off we go, check out those two does down there. But I just wanna put it out there that sometimes when I'm hunting, There are times when I don't even want to pick up the camera and just hunt and enjoy, but I do want to put out some materials for you folks also. But hopefully you guys will like this. But yeah, got two of them with this guy right here. 4 stable sticks. Check them out. And we're gonna head down. See, I got my hands full holding one stick, trying to navigate in these bushes and holding all this stuff. But I'm gonna put the camera away and record whatever when we get there. Yes, yes, I see spots, guys. I see spots. Yeah, there she is. This is the second doe. Where's the first one? Right there. There. Wow. See, about 15 yards away from each other. Very nice. Whew. Prop them up and take some good photos. Alright guys, just one quick recap. I was driving up on the road up there, and then spotted this herd of does feeding right here, and they were about to go up this ridge, so I had to take the shot. But I came down, we will see, 180 yards to one of those trees over there and put a shot at them. And this is the second doe that I shot. Shot him with the 4 stable sticks, of course, and my Tika 270. And the other one is lying 15 yards that side right there. I don't know if you guys can see the white belly, but she's lying down right there. But anyway, I'm gonna prop them up and take some good photos. Okay, well, here they are, guys. Big doe, large doe, medium-sized doe, and this is the first time I shot with the 4 stable stick, using the 4 stable stick. I mean, this thing is so light, it basically weighs nothing, so it doesn't hinder you a lot. And you can use it as a walking stick also when you're packing out. Very sturdy. So I shot these guys at 180 yards. This one first, shot her in the neck, and then they ran a bit, and then I got to put a second shot on this doe because she stopped. And for this hunt, if anything was game for me, it's actually my tag is 3, so I'm good for 2 does and 1 buck. So after I process these guys, I'm gonna go home, put them in the cooler, and maybe try this afternoon for the buck. It is now 9:30 in the morning. Sun's beaming. I'm just done processing those 2 does, and I got 2 bags, 2 hindquarter back straps, and I got the other doe inside this bag. I broke down the 4 stable sticks to free up my hand because I gotta hold my rifle hang my pack and then carry that bag up on the hill way back there. That's about maybe less than 300 yards, but I gotta go down and up. So see you guys in the truck. Made it to the truck. Yes sir. Put those guys in the cooler, and I came all the way from across on top of that other ridge right there. I say about under 300 yards. It's only 10 to 10 in the morning, so I may try go down there and visit a honey hole of mine and see if any of them is bedded, and maybe try find a buck. That way I don't have to come back in the afternoon. I like the weather. It's kind of windy. It actually makes it a little cooler instead of being too hot. So I may go for a hike and try and find one buck. Two mommy ewes and their two